A header in carpentry is basically the heavy-duty beam sitting above doors or windows that keeps your walls from sagging or collapsing under the weight of the roof or upper floors. So, here's the lowdown on headers and why you gotta care. A header is like the backbone for any opening in your walls, carrying all that heavy load so your door or window doesn't turn into a giant saggy mess. Usually, it's made from two pieces of lumber nailed together or sometimes engineered wood for extra strength. The header sits on vertical supports called trimmers or jack studs, which transfer the weight down to the foundation. When you're building or remodeling, always make sure the header size matches the size of the opening and the load it has to carry. Too small, and you risk serious sagging or even structural damage. Also, make sure the header material is strong enough. For big openings, engineered wood or steel might be the way to go. If you don't install a proper header, you could see cracks in your walls or doors that won't close right, which is a pain to fix. Lastly, always double-check local building codes because they'll tell you exactly how headers should be sized and installed for safety. One of the biggest mistakes with headers is using lumber that's too small or weak, which causes the opening to sag over time. Fix this by sizing your header properly based on the span and load requirements. Another common problem is poor support under the header. If the jack studs aren't installed correctly, the whole load doesn't transfer properly, so make sure those vertical supports are solid and plumb. Lastly, people often forget to check local building codes or skip permits, which can lead to unsafe structures and expensive fines. Always follow code rules and get your permits before starting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle headers and other home projects safely and right. It also gives contractors a platform to find quality jobs and grow their business with people who really need their skills.